Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened Euro JPY pair. Okay, as of now, if you check, previous minor trend was an uptrend and there is a resistance level where the market has been respected, and you can check this point clearly. There is a momentum of buyers, but last candle, if you notice, the candle was strong but didn't made any strength. So the sellers may take over the market. So here you can expect selling candles only from this area. And one more thing, the selling candles are too strong comparing to the previous one. So easily you can expect a selling candle here. So that's why I'm going with sellers. Okay. In the YouTube membership, we have uploaded a premium class part 2. Try to watch that. In that session, you may understand the market clearly and better. Easily you can understand the topics. Okay, here again I have gone with buyers. Why? Here if you notice one thing, already the sellers are coming from a resistance area, which is a strong area. And one more thing, the sellers are not even getting weak. They are continuously getting strong. So that's the case. In that case only I have gone with sellers here. From here you can expect a momentum up to where the next buying area, which was in the downside. Okay, up to that area try to go with sellers only. Okay, and one more thing I should mention, in these kind of scenarios margin of safety is more important because the market has more fluctuations. How can you say that? Means the wick rejections are higher. Check the wick rejections, so instantly the market will bounce back. So try to understand this point in these kind of scenarios. Okay, see, finally the sellers are getting strong. Okay, what is the next candle? Here you should understand one thing. Here it is a 50-50 chance, but I am trying to follow the momentum because sometimes in the momentum also it will show the weakness like this. But if it made a new low, means yeah, I could go with strong strength. But here I will take one more trade for the margin of safety. 1 second. Yes, I have got nice entry point. Sometimes in the momentum you can expect this kind of weak candles. After that, try to check once in the market. What is the answer? Try to comment that, because most of the time the market shows a weakness. Whether the market will reverse or it will continue, both the things will happen. So try to understand these points whenever you are trading in the market. Okay, that's why I have taken maximum entry point, that which could lead to winning. Okay, see, here the buyers are interested, but my entry point made me win. Okay, 1 second. Yes, we got win. Now what is the next candle? Yes, you can go with sellers. There is nothing to think. Oh, it's a late entry. Anyways, we can easily go with sellers here. Why? Already the market has been rejected from the resistance and it is trying to go down. So that's why I have gone with sellers confidently. And you also know one more thing. There is a momentum of sellers. We got a weak candle. Again, the market is trying to continue to go down. So that's why only I have gone with sellers. So by seeing itself, you can understand the scenarios. So that's why only you should plot the levels and understand the scenario. According to that, take trades. Whenever you are getting a weakness, without any reason, the market won't get weakness. Maybe there could be some level which shows a weakness. In that case, you can wait or take trades with margin of safety. Otherwise, you may end up with losses. Okay, here you can expect a selling candle. What is the next candle now? Here I have a 50-50 chance. This also I will take margin of safety with selling only. First of all, the market is coming from a strong resistance level, and just now the market has rejected from the buying area where previously buyers have been entered. From that area the market has been rejected. So maybe you can expect one candle at least, or market will break the area easily. Okay, we have to check this scenario. Okay. So whenever you are getting these kind of chances, so try to wait. Sometimes market will fulfill the area. Sometimes market will reverse instantly to go to the next level. So try to understand this point. If it is a buying candle, yeah, we should wait for one more confirmation. 1 second. What? Yes, finally our entry point made us win. Here it is now also a 50-50 chance. Let me plot the level. This is the level previous buyers have been entered. Here I will try to go with buyers because this is a 50-50 I'm mentioning. Why it is 50-50? One, the market is trying to go down. Second one, just now the market has been rejected from the buying area instantly. Here, if this candle was a red candle, the market will go down definitely. If this is a green candle, the market will try to go to the next level, which means the resistance. Okay. So in this this is a confirmation candle actually. Okay. Why, how can you say this is a confirmation? Means already the buyers have been rejected, but from that area still you didn't get one more buyers, means it is clearly shown that no buyers are interested. Okay. So here the sellers have been entered. It's okay. It is a loss. Now I will confidently go with sellers. Let me take the selling trade first. 1 second. Yes. Okay. I have gone with sellers confidently. And if you notice, previously when the level is rejected from that market, you got a buying candle. But the second time, the sellers have been entered very strong without lower rejection, which means no buyers are interested as of now. So you can easily go with selling candle here. So that's why try to go with sellers in these kind of scenarios. So that's why only I have gone with sellers here. Okay. Is it clear? Where is my next level? Where is my next buying area? After this candle, I will show you where is my next level. Up to that particular area, I will go only with sellers. Because already the market is trying to change. So that's why in the favor of sellers only take trades. Okay. See, finally we got win. What is the next candle? There is no, yes, easily you can go with sellers again. Because I didn't see any kind of gap. So we have to see. 1 second. If I get any entries, I will take one more trade for selling only. If it is okay, it is okay. Okay, let me adjust. Here is my next buying area. Let me highlight. Okay. This is the area where previously buyers have been strongly entered, and now also you can expect a buying candle easily. Okay. So that's why up to that area you can go with sellers. So whenever you are trading in the market, try to observe the levels, which will give you confirmations, which will give you clarity. So try to check these all points. Okay. See, finally the market entered to a buying zone. What did you expect? Just go with buyers. That's it. Because the only major areas previously was that area only. So that's why you can easily expect a buying candle here. Okay. So that's why I can go with buyers. When you plot the levels clearly, you can understand the market very well. By understanding, you can easily take trades, and finally discipline. The area where you can maintain discipline is that only. Here I have a trendline zone. Yes, after the breakout, I can go with reversal. Okay, let me clear this. See, you can check. Previously, the market was in an uptrend and the market is trying to go down because there is no new high at all. So that's why the market is trying to make a new low instead new high. So easily you can expect a selling candle here. So I will try to go with sellers. When the trend changing moment, the market will show so many inner new high, new lows. So don't get confused. Just follow the major levels on that particular scenarios. When the major level has been breakout, then try to change the mindset. Up to then, keep the same mindset. Okay. Don't change instantly. Okay. Nothing will happen. Or otherwise try to wait and observe the market when the trend is changing. Okay. Because so many U-turns, sideways, minor uptrend, minor downtrend, these all things will happen when the trend is trying to change. So try to observe the area. Okay. Here the sellers will enter because the market has been reached to the previous buying area, previous support, now resistance. And if you check the market wick, easily the market has been entered to the selling zone. Okay. Now what is the next candle? Don't go for buyers. Sorry, don't go for sellers. Here you should go with buyers only. Why? Because previous support, exactly the market has been closed exactly at that buying area. So don't go here with sellers always, because you should respect. Already it has been respected. Every time it is respecting, which means it is a valid point. So you should respect those things. So try to go with buyers, at least for one candle, not whole trend. Just one candle is more enough. So whenever you are getting, you can check my history. Okay, one loss. Here you can observe one thing, the market has been closed at the buying area. So try to respect that thing, and again the market will try to go down. So because my next level is in the downside, so market will try to definitely go down. Okay, 1 second, let the candle complete. Okay, now what is the next candle here? Should I go with sellers? As I mentioned before, from the top, if you observe, market is trying to go down. If you check from the top, the momentum is high, low, lower, high, lower, low. So the market is making these kind of patterns, which shows a indication of selling pressure, which shows a indication of selling zones. So easily you can go with sellers here. You all know that in the uptrend, we prefer maximum buying. In the downtrend, we prefer maximum selling. So according to that, in the favor of trend, if you take trades, it will be more beneficiary for you. Okay. So try to adopt these kind of things. Even sometimes it is loss also. Try to follow the trend only. If you follow the trend, the losses will be 1 or 2 retracements only. Rest all you can go with sellers only. Try to follow. Here again I can go with sellers. Why? Let me take margin of safety 1 second. Because the momentum, there is a gap. No, yes, not even touch the area. Anyways, but still I will take margin of safety. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, anyways, it's okay. I have taken margin of safety because it didn't reach the buyer's area. But we have to see. I think this is my last trade. Up to now I have taken so many trades. After this winning, I will close the session. Okay. See, by seeing in the top, you can understand that how the market is working here at present scenarios. Okay. So whenever you are trading, try to observe the levels, and main thing, margin of safety. Don't panic when you get continuously 2 losses. After continuously 2 losses, try to wait for the right opportunity. Don't go against the trend also. See here, finally the sellers are interested. We have to see. Okay, I think it's doji candle. Anyways, we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.